year's National Maritime Week celebration coincides with the 29th National Seafarers Day, as we honor the brave men and women who have dedicated their lives to the sea. Let us also remember those who have perished at sea. Our fellow seafarers who have sailed into the unknown, some of whom never returned, same as our comrades who went missing last year. 4 brave souls who embarked in a very critical rescue operation. 4 young Coast Guardians who we lost. So it's very challenging and very painful for all of us. No? Until now, di pa nakikita yung kanilang mga katawan o whereabouts. No? It's very crucial, very critical yung ginagawa ng aming mga kasamahan, even with other agencies. Last time, just to share with you, no, almost a couple of weeks ago, or more, I think almost a month, there was a reported missing group of fishermen. As we gather here today under the theme, Navigating the Future, Safety First, we take a moment to reflect on our shared journey towards fostering a safer maritime environment. This celebration transcends being a mere event. It serves as a crucial platform for enhancing awareness of our mandates and the vital importance of safety in our waters. The Coast Guard District Southern Tagalog has truly embraced this celebration by executing various civic action, community relations, and environmental protection initiatives. These efforts not only elevate public awareness, but also exemplify our unwavering commitment to serving and safeguarding our communities. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary for your active participation. Your involvement goes beyond volunteerism. It encompasses the invaluable resources and support you contribute to enhance our collective efforts. Together, we are not merely navigating challenges, we are charting a course towards a brighter, safer future for all our communities. Yesterday, we embarked in a very significant activity, which is the coastal cleanup. I believe that it is recorded as one of the longest coastal cleanup activities. So palakpakan natin yung lahat na nag-participate doon. Bigat na na pag-organize. Very limited yung time, but we made it a point na maging significant yung National Maritime Week this 2024 by doing that activity. So I believe next year baka mas mahaba pa yung magawa natin, and ang kagandahan, it was held here in Batangas, so it's very significant. I also wish to express my sincere appreciation to the various agencies, from the Marina, from PPA, the police, no, and the rest of our partners, the stakeholders. Sobra yung contribution la all throughout this week. Your active engagement signifies a shared commitment to our mission. It is my hope that we will continue to see the same enthusiasm from future partners as we collectively strive to reinforce our dedication to safety and maritime awareness. As we look to the future, I am excited to pass the baton of hosting to the Philippine Ports Authority. I trust that they will uphold the spirit of collaboration and commitment to safety that we have cultivated here. Your support and engagement are crucial as we work together to ensure that our waters remain not only navigable but safe for everyone out there in Quezon. And for more than almost a day, we lost communication with our people who went to find them, went to look for them out at sea. Bagyo yun, last time, sa typhoon. Alam niyo yung pangamba ng bawat isa sa amin, yung stress, yung anxiety na iniisip ng kada isa sa amin. Same sa mga pamilya ng mga nawawala na yon. Because we lost communication with our comrades. Ganun kabigat yun. During inclement weather, nakikita nyo kami nandyan. We go out at sea, even kung may typhoon, just to look for missing people. Minsan, of course, deliberate yung pagkawala. Alam na may typhoon, talagang mga ngahas pa na lumabas. So, I hope some of the agencies here could also help us, especially OCDSER, of pushing with the local government units to really enforce strict sailing during even approaching pa lang inclement weather. We cannot do it alone. Although it's a mandate of ours, alam naman natin, kada mandato ng iba't ibang ahensya, hindi natin magagawa yan alone. We need the help of everybody, dapat whole of government talaga. So I hope itong this is the right venue. Nandito tayo nagsasama-sama celebrating the National Maritime Week. And yet, not only mga public service na activity na ginagawa natin, humanitarian, environment, but also to propagate this safety advocacy of ours na magkaroon tayo ng zero incidents dito sa AOR natin. With your unwavering support and collaboration, we can achieve this goal. So again, in behalf of our unit, Coast Guard District Southern Tagalog, I'd like to express our gratitude for all of you who have helped us, who have supported us all throughout these activities. And these past years, alam ko nandiyan kayo kaakibat namin. For your steadfast commitment to our mission. Together, we will continue navigating towards a safer maritime future. Again, magandang umaga sa ating lahat at congratulations to everyone.